video.
I was walking like a little 1-2 walk. It was itchy. I had to run home because my belly does be big and it smells like tar. So big. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing I don't know what we consider luxury, but I feel like anything that I buy that I feel like I really love is luxury. So I'm gonna show you guys all the stuff that I got. If you want to see a video of my makeup, I will have it linked in the eye above, or it's gonna be up soon if it's not already up. The first thing in this haul, I'm gonna show you guys all the stuff that I got from Amazon because I am planning to go on vacation soon. So I did get some stuff from Amazon. It's this bag that to put my toiletry stuff in. It has a pocket in the back, and then when I open it up, this is so pretty. I love the gold hardware on this. It looks like this, and then all you do is like hang it up, and it has like all these different compartments to put like your lotions, your body wash, toothbrush, toothpaste, all this stuff can fit in here. So I feel like this is very essential. They do call this a jewelry bag, but this doesn't look like a jewelry bag. So yeah, I'm gonna link everything down below too, so you guys can have easy access to get them. I feel like I really needed this so I can like have it in my suitcase instead of like having a plastic bag or like a Ziploc bag in my suitcase. And this is how it looks. Once again, it has like the gold hardware on it. The second thing that I got is mesh laundry bags. Yeah, if I have dirty clothes or something that I don't necessarily want to put into my suitcase, I'm gonna put it into this bag. So it comes with 5, and I feel like I would only need 1. They give you 5, but I feel like I would only need 1. So like this one, they have a smaller one. Well, they give you 2 small ones, 2 medium size, and a big one. So I feel like this is very essential, like if you're traveling and you don't necessarily want to put your dirty clothes together with your clean clothes. Like, yeah, you don't want to do that. Say hi to my video.
Hello, video.
I'm dead. These things to put in the suitcase. No, these are the laundry bags that I got. They're like big. Yeah, these are the laundry bags. And it has a drawstring on the inside to close it, and it's like a purse, so you could hang it up on a door. Like when you're traveling, you put it in your suitcase and you hang it on the door so you can put your dirty clothes in it instead of having your dirty clothes on the floor or in your suitcase.
Yeah, that's cool.
These are cubes that you put your clothes in, so your clothes don't just stay all over the bag. So they have like different sizes. I feel like this is very essential. And then I like how it has this clear thing so you can see what's in it instead of having to open each and every one to find like t-shirts or panty and underpants. Yeah, I like this. What? What do you ask? You're making me blush.
I like looking at you, eh?
Like a dolly? You like to hype me up, eh? Babe, I don't just say that, you know, that's just an expression. I'm blushing on the inside. Jeez. I'm wearing that. These are some stuff that I got from Nike, or Nike. How do you say it? I got this top. I feel like it's a controversial thing, okay? So this top, this is all of them are their Nike Pro dry fit line. This is a size large. This is a men's top. Is this a men's top? Yes, this is a men's top. And I feel like this looks smaller than my shirt. Like my shirt looks kind of big. So got this one. This one was $28. I'm gonna try to link everything down below. And then I got, oh my gosh, I got these leggings. Itchy. Well, then again, I didn't lotion my legs, but these were itchy when I tried them on, and I guess I should wash them first too. And I wasn't wearing them for real. I was just walking like a little 1-2 walk. It was itchy. I had to run home because it was so itchy. But these are the leggings. I got them in a size large, and I be thinking I'm really big, but I'm actually a medium, so I should have got a medium in these. So if you're my measurements, if you watch my haul, you'll know my measurements. Get a medium. And I'm probably gonna send these back because I got these in a large as well, and baby girl is not big, okay? And these. This is the girl version of the shirt that I showed you first, and I got these in a large. Did I get these in a large? Yes, I got these in a large. They look kind of the same size as the first shirt, and I might keep these because my belly does be big and I don't know. Another thing that I'm really excited about is this outfit from the K label. Okay, I really wanted to get a medium, but this color was on sale and it was a large, and I really don't care because I'm gonna be wearing this at nighttime anyways. I mean, when I'm hanging out with my boo, you know, in the nighttime, ain't nobody checking for you. So I got a large, and it's kind of big, but the bottoms fit, but the top is really big. So the bag looks like this. She pays attention to detail and we love it, and it's a black owned business. So isn't this so pretty? This is so pretty. Yeah, and it has like these strings on the side. The detail is immaculate. Okay, so I got this in a size large. I will link it down below. I don't even know if she has more sizes now, like she restocked or something, but you guys can just follow her and turn on your notifications or whatever. But this is cute. And then I got the top to match. So pretty. I should try it on. Should I try it on? Okay, I'm gonna try it on. BRB. The nighttime when you chilling with your boo. Oh, this is gorgeous. Me too, we giving like nighttime chill vibes, you know, going and get like a pizza, like an ice cream, and that color is so pretty. Skims, I'm obsessed. Okay, obsessed. Their packaging looks like this. I'm actually gonna be having a try on haul video, like just a separate video by itself, so I'm not gonna be trying it on in this video because that's gonna be crazy and it's gonna be long. So make sure you like this video and subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you'll be updated and notified anytime I post a video. And you guys will see me trying on all of this stuff, and I might have a surprise in that video. You just never know, okay? You just have to be loyal, right? But yeah, I got some stuff from Skims, and this was like a lot of money, so it is luxury as well. The next thing that I got were some face masks. These are the KN95 masks, and I got it from this company called Massy. They have like colorful ones and like just different ones that can go with your outfit or just like to spruce up, because you know masks are a part of the attire right now, so we need to make it look cute, I guess. So I got these ones. They're like earth toned, so they're like beige and nude and yeah, pinky. So this one matches like the top that I'm wearing right now, and then I have like these ones and this one. And okay, this one is kind of matching it a little bit better. And this one. So yeah, these are the face masks that Rihanna be wearing. So clearly it's good. So yeah, I got these and they come in a pack of 10. And I feel like they're really cute and they're essential. And yeah, do you like them?
Yeah.
And then the next thing that I got are these Dior sandals. These are my first Dior flip-flops, and I just feel like they're so freaking cute. And yeah, maybe I should. So it looks like so, and this thing basically telling me thank you for your order, and I guess like what it's made from and stuff like that. It came with 2 bags. It looks like this. So freaking cute. So I normally wear a US 6.5, and I got these in a 37. And one thing about me, I like my shoes, my slippers to fit a little bit bigger than my foot, and I feel like these are exactly my size, and I didn't like that. But then when I went back on the website, I guess because the real Kyle sister Ari was wearing these shoes like 2 days ago, everybody went crazy and bought them out, so they bought out the 38. So I'm just gonna keep my shoes. So yeah, these are so freaking cute. I love them. I have no complaints. They're very soft. I mean, so far I've only been wearing it in my room and they're super soft. So yeah, I like these. They look like this, and they do have Velcro, so you can adjust it, because my foot is very skinny. Open the 2 Velcro and put it really tight, and that will fit my foot perfectly. Babe, look, aren't these so cute?
Yeah.
It smells like tar. The last thing that I got are these big ass Balenciaga shoes, and you guys already know I always complain about my legs being very skinny, so these are like big pants type shoes. I'm not wearing these with no skinny jeans. That's crazy. I'm gonna wear these with like big straight leg pants, so like straight leg jeans or like just regular straight leg pants. So they're the what are these called?
Tracks.
The Balenciaga track. These are the ones. So they have the size on the front of it. I'm gonna show you guys. So I got a 37, a C37 in the color full beige. So they came with this bag, and they look like this. They're so big, but they're so freaking cute. Cause okay, so let me tell you guys why I got these shoes. So I seen these shoes and then I fell in love with them, and then I was contemplating because I just feel like I don't feel right buying these shoes. Like, I don't feel right buying it. But then my boyfriend was like, treat yourself, just go ahead and treat yourself. So that's what I did, and I'm like so happy because I was contemplating on buying them so much. I kept refreshing the website, and more than I would refresh the website, they will sell out. And then at the end of the night, it was sold out, and I was so freaking sad. So then the other day I was watching Kyla Shea, her video, and she was actually showing these in her video, and then I went on the website and I refreshed it, and they had my size, a 36 and a 35. That was just God telling me to get them. So I got these in a size 37, and they're so freaking cute. I love them, and they will go with so much just because of the color. So I'm really excited about this. This is my favorite thing out of this whole haul. Even though like I love everything that I got, these are my favorite. So yeah. Okay, you guys, so I'm guessing last night I was super excited, so I didn't even get to show you guys. I kind of smushed it, but I also got this jewelry box type thing just so my jewelry won't be all over the place, and it's very small. As you can see, my hand is very small. I also got this nude bracelet because the one that I had for the Apple Watch was it was like fat. It was too wide, and then it's like pink and looks ugly. So I got this nude one, and it's skinny, so it looks really nice on my hand. So I'm gonna be very excited to wear this because I never wear this. And I got these fur products. It's like the fur oil and stuff. It helps with when you shave and stuff to make sure that you don't get ingrown hairs, and make sure that the hair isn't itchy when it's growing back or anything. So I picked up their kit, the silk scrub, and I also got the stubble cream. And these are the two oils right here. I really like it so far. So yeah, and I also got portable charger because this is very important to me. Like when I'm traveling, I don't want to be outside and then my phone is dead and I can't charge it. So I got this portable charger, this electric lighter, and I use this to light my candles because I'm obsessed with candles. I have so many. And then I got this little ring light. This is a 12-inch ring light because I just feel like this is important for when you're at a hotel, or just like the lighting isn't good in certain places. So this is very essential to me so I can do my makeup and see myself properly, and also film videos still. So I got this. It's kind of dirty because I use this a lot, but I got this portable mirror and it lights up, so I love that. For me, I didn't charge it, so I can't really show you guys it lighting up. What I can say, this dies very fast, and this is a dupe for the Vanity Planet one, but I love it. Got this curling iron from Babyliss, and I like it so far, but I can't really judge it. I feel like I should have got the smaller one, but this one is still cute. This flat iron because it is a 1/2 inch curling thing, and I feel like this is much better to do my curly edges, just because the other one that I have is a little bit bigger. Let me show you the comparison. Much fatter than this one. You can see the difference. So this one makes the edges more curly, so I just picked this up on Amazon. I'm gonna link everything down below so you guys can check it out. I was too excited yesterday, so I didn't even get to show you all this other stuff because it slipped my mind. But yeah, these are the extra stuff that I got. You guys, thank you so much for checking out my channel, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye.